children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I am very happy to see you all in this YouTube class again. Before beginning the class, I have to ask a question. Have you all copied the answers in your GK textbook? Yes, only very few students have sent a snapshot to me. What about the other students? No problem. After completing your answers in the textbook, take a snapshot and send it to me personally. Okay. I have to see how you are writing. Okay. How you are copying the answers in your textbook. Or else, if you have any doubt regarding this question answers, you can call me or text me privately. Okay. Let's begin the class. Take your GK textbook, ma. Everyone take your GK textbook and take a pencil with you. Okay. We are going to find some names of a bird and names of an animal. Okay. Okay. Let's start the class. Turn to page number 12. Take a textbook and turn to page number 12. Okay. What's the topic? All about names. We have to find the name of something. Whether it's a bird or it's an animal. Anything. We have to find the names of the living thing. Okay. See the picture. There's a bird. Okay. It's a bird. See the picture. The question for this picture is, I make my nest by sieving the edges of leaves together using my beak as a needle. Okay. The bird makes their nest by sieving the edges of leaf. Okay. It makes their nest by sieving the edges of the leaf together using their beak. What's the name of this bird? Can you guess? Let's think. What's the name of this bird? Say some names of the bird. No idea? Okay, the answer for this question is tailoring bird. Copy it in your textbook. Tailoring bird. Tailoring bird. Tailoring bird. Have you all copied? Yes. Okay. We move on to the next question. Next picture of a bird. The question for this picture. I am the smallest bird and I get my name from the sound of my wings which flap at a very high speed. It's the smallest bird. Okay, it's the smallest bird. Its name is get from the sound of their wings. Okay, which flaps at very high sound with high speed. When it fly at a high speed, its wings flap. Okay, what's the name of this bird? Let's think. What's the name of this bird? Okay, the name of this bird is hummingbird. Hummingbird. Okay, copy it in your textbook. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Okay, have you all copied? Yes. Okay, we move on to the next question. This is another bird. Okay, I am a long-tailed songbird found mainly in tropical America. I am noted for mimicking the calls and songs of other birds. It has a long tail. Okay, this bird has a long tail and it is called as a songbird because I think it will sing. The bird will sing. Mainly found in tropical America. It's mainly found in tropical America. It will mimic the call or sound of other birds. Okay, it will mimic the sound of other bird. Okay, so what's the name of this bird? Try to find the name of this bird, my dear children. Any guess or any idea? No? Okay, the name of this bird is mockingbird. Mockingbird. Copy it in your textbook, my dear children. MOCKING. BIRD. Mockingbird. Okay, my dear children, mockingbird. Have you all copied? Yes? Okay. We move on to the next question. I think through this picture, you can find the answer for this question easily. What's the name of an animal in this picture? Any guess, my dear? Any guess? No. Wait. We can read the question first. I am a tailless. It has no tail. Okay. South American rodent. It's a rodent, South American rodent. Typically kept as a pet or for laboratory research. Okay. It is grown as a pet. Okay. Or for laboratory research. Though the first part of my name is a country in West Africa. Okay. The name of this animal is the name of a country in West Africa. Okay, I have nothing to do with that country. I am not a pig. It has no connection with that country, but it is not a pig. What's the name of this animal? What's the name of this animal? Guess. Think. I know you can find the answer for this question because it's a very easy one. Through this picture you can find the answer for this question. It's a very easy one. It's available in our area also. Okay, the answer for this question is guinea pig. Guinea pig. Okay, GUINEAPIG. Guinea pig. Copy it in your textbook, my dear children. GUINEAPIG. Guinea pig. Have you all copied? Yes. Okay. We move on to the next question. It's one of an insect. Okay, one of the insect. I'm also known as a glowworm. Though I'm not a worm, I'm actually a winged beetle. Okay, it is known as glowworm. Glowworm means its back has light. Okay, during when it is night time, we can see some beetle moving around here and there. It has a light in its back. You all have sometime you can see, sometime it's not available nowadays. Okay, it's not a worm. Okay, it's not a worm. It has a wing and it is a beetle. What's the name of this beetle? Do you have any guess? No idea, no guess. Let's think, my dear children. It's a very easy one. Okay, the answer for this question is firefly. Copy it in your textbook, my dear children. FIREFLY. Firefly. Have you all copied it in your textbook? Yes? Okay. We move on to the next question. Through this picture you can find the answer, but somewhat trick is there. I am a legless. We all know that it has no leg. Burrowing lizard with smooth, skinny, shiny skin. Okay, it's a burrowing lizard with smooth and shiny skin. Okay, I am often mistaken for a snake. Okay, in fact, I am called a dash snake. It's a type of the snake, but it has some one name between. Any guess? No idea? No idea, my dear children? Okay. The answer for this question is glass snake. Copy it in your textbook. GLASS. Glass snake. Have you all copied? Yes. Okay, my dear children. We are at the end of the session. We will meet on our next class, okay? Copy it in your textbook. After copying, take a snapshot and send it to me personally, okay? If you have any doubts regarding this question, you can call me or text me, okay? Have a good day, my dear children. Thank you.